I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and cutting only what you need. This saves curves and overlap later. Once cut, lay each metal strip along the bedline and leave a 1/2 gap at joints so metal can expand. Drive the first stakes through the per-punch slots to anchor the start, and make sure the top edge sits flush with the final grade to avoid trip hazards. This first step sets your alignment and makes the rest faster and straighter. You now connect sections so the run behaves as one piece. Use factory connectors or overlap sections about 1 to 2 inches and fasten with galvanized rivets or screws. Once connected, insert and drive stakes through the connector points. They lock the joint and resist lateral soil pressure. As you go, check straightness with a string line and make small adjustments by tapping stakes. This prevents waves. After securing each connector, step back and confirm consistent height. You finish by backfilling and compacting soil on both sides so the edging stays locked. Compacting transfers lateral pressure into the stakes. Cut any uneven tops and coat exposed raw metal with a rust inhibitor to extend life. If a section wobbles later, add an extra stake behind the edge or set a short concrete footing under a loose stake. This fixes movement without removing the run. If joints pull apart, re-drill and use a longer rivet for a secure hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.